Assalamu alaikum, guys. Inshallah, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to use Bayes theorem and how to apply Bayes theorem in example. Bayes theorem is not included in the last version of lecture 9, the old version of last year. So we need to make this video in order to make all lecture content available in this YouTube. So Bayes theorem, just we will talk about the simple form of Bayes theorem, just about two events, A1 and A2, but actually Bayes theorem consisting of n events, not only two, but for convenience, we will just discuss about two events. So if we have two events, A1 and A2, these two events should be mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. These two conditions should be satisfied. First, A1 intersection A2 should be equal by mutually exclusive or disjoint event. Also, these two events should be exhaustive event, means A1 intersection A2 equal S. So our sample space consisting only from two events, A1 and A2. We can explain this using this diagram. This is A1. Or say this is A2. This is A1. A1, A2, no intersection, disjoint event. A1, A2 equal our A1 union A2 equal our sample space. Now, let's say B is any event in S, subset of S. This means B equal B intersection S. B is subset of S. S is our sample space. So this circle is S. All this circle is S. Both. S. B. So this B is subset of S, and B is inside S. So now we need to find P of B. Then P of A1 given B. P of A2 given B. Okay, so how to find B of B? How to find B of B? B is consisting of these two parts, this blue part and red part. This red part is A1B, right? This is A2B, intersection of A2 and B, this intersection of A1 and B is this red part. So B equal summation of these two parts. Why summation? There's no intersection between these two parts. So B equal A1B plus A2B, and B of B will be equal B of A1B plus B of A2B. So now we found B of B. One done. For now, done. Later we'll explain more about how to find B of A1B, how to find B of A2B. For 2, B of A1 given B is equal, by conditional rule, equal B of A1B over B of B. B of B, this one. B of A1B plus B of A2B. Similar, B of A2 given B equal B of A2B over B of B of B. B of B is A1B plus B of A2B. Okay, so now is how to find A2B and A1B. Recall the conditional rule of P of B given A equal what? Equal B of AB over B of A. Say A1, A1, A1. So B of A1B equal B of A1 multiplied by B of B given A1. Similar, B of B given A2 will be equal B of A2B, intersection means, over B of A2. Then B of A2B will be equal B of A2 multiplied by B of B given A. So back to B of B, instead of B of A1B, we write this. Instead of B of A2B, we write this. So B of B equal B of B equal B of A1B. A1B, we write B of A1 multiplied by B of B given A1 plus, instead of Instead of this, we write this P of A2 multiplied by P of B given A2. So this one, we call this partition rule. The second one, P of A1 given B, this one. Instead of B A1 B, we write this one. Instead of B of A2 B, we write this part. So this equal B of A1 multiplied by B of B given A1 over P of B is P of A1 multiplied by P of B given A1 plus P of A2 multiplied by P of B given A2. Similar, P of A2 given B equal P of A1 A2, sorry, multiplied by P of B given A2 over P of A1 multiplied by P of B given A1 plus P of A2 multiplied by P given A2. So to make it easy, too much easy, for B of B, we just focus in these two. Let's say this one, and this is 2. P of B equal 1 plus 2. P of just we can say 1 plus 2. This one, this 2. B of A1 given B equal what? 1 given B equal 1, this one over 1 plus 2. 1 over 1 plus 2. B of A2 given B equal 2 plus 1 over 2. So this is the easy and simple way to understand Bayes' theorem. Just we need to find 1 and 2. How to find 1? How to find 1? Just by multiply P of A1 by B of B given A1. How to find A2? Just by multiplying B of A2 by B of B given A2. Then if we get this, just we divide, we get this and we get this also. Just if they ask about this, we divide 1 over summation of 1 plus 2. If they ask about 2, we divide over 2 over summation of 1 plus 2. So the idea is how to find 1 and how to find 2. This, inshallah, I will explain to you in next example. We can take simple example. For example, let's say we have class consisting of male and female. Set stat class, stat 102. This class consisting of 60% say female, 40% is male. And we have event in our class, which is success. Say B is student got success in statistics. B belong to S. S is our class. So our class consists of male and female. 0.6 for female, 0.4 for males. This is B. Student got success in statistics. This boss. So male union female union male equal our class. Female intersection male equal Y. These two conditions satisfy. Condition 1, condition 2. Now we have B subset of S. This B student gets success in statistics from male and from female. So this part is success. And success is B F. This is student success and female. And this success and male. This one and this two. How to find one and how to find this one and this two. This all is success. Success is B. So to avoid getting you confused, B is success in statistics. Success in statistics. This B equal male and success plus female and success. These two parts. So if we know of say 80% of female, success in statistics, and say 70% of male, success in statistics. So now we need to find B, MB and FE. This equal what? This equal B of M multiplied by B of B success given male plus probability of female multiplied by probability of success given female. This means what? 60%, 40% male. Of those male, 70% got success. Of of those means given male, plus P of female is already, we have 0.6 and not 0.4 plus 0.6 should be equal 1. Multiply by of those female 80% got success in statistics. So this means P of success given female 0.8. So 1 is 0.4 multiply by 0.7. 2 is 0.6 multiply by 0.8. So now we done. We have P of male and get success in statistic is 0.4 multiplied by 0.7 equal 0.28. Then 0.28 is 1. 0.6 by 0.8 is 0.48. So 0.48 is 2. Now, if we selected one student, and we already know he passed statistics, what is probability he is male? Is equal P of M and B over P of B. This is P of B. Student gets success. Success is P of male multiplied by probability of success given male plus probability of female multiplied by probability of success given female. So this equal 0.28, which is 1, over 1 plus 2, 0.28 plus 0.48. Similar, if they ask about probability of already got success in statistics, what is probability she is female? So in this case, P of female and success over probability of P already success, this equal 0.48 over 0.28 plus 0.48. Just like 1 over 1 plus 2, and this is 2 over 1 plus 2. This is Bayes' theorem. This is Bayes' theorem. This is Bayes' theorem. And this is, we called it partition theorem. Partition theorem, because we get this from 2 parts. This, I think now it's clear. It's clear. Now you understand Bayes' theorem. We go to solve some examples about Bayes' theorem. So now we have this example, but of course we cannot, it is not clear, so we need to delete all this. So okay, now we need to solve this example here. Start cell TV from two companies, 40% from company A, and 60% from company B. 5% of devices from company A are defective, and just 3% from company A is defective. So let's check two conditions satisfy or not. A1 intersection A2 equal by. So item only come from A1 company or A2 company, cannot be come from both. Condition 1 satisfied. Condition 2, this company, this store only bought from two company. So equal S. So all devices in this store should be come from A1 or A2. A1 or A2, and no device will be come from two companies same times. So an intersection and union equal S. Store just bought from these two companies, satisfied. So we have B, say B is defective. D belong to S. In this store, some devices are defective. So let me make like this. We have this. This is our store. Store then just two company A1 and A2. Some devices are defective, maybe from company A1, maybe from company A2. So A1 40%, this is 40%, 0.4, and this is 0.6 plus 0.4 equal 1. So A1 union A2 equal S. So now we have this defective. Defective could be from A1 or from A2. So we just need to find this and this. This equal what? D equal 2 bar, equal 1 plus 2. 1 equal what? 1 equal intersection of D with A1. So this A1D plus this 2 equal intersection of A2D. A2D. So now from A1.05 defective. This means what? Means B of D defective from A1 is 0.05. Defective from A2, I know it's A2 defective equal 0.03. Okay, so D equal A1D plus A2D. Type A1D B of D equal, okay, B of D equal B of A1D plus B of A2D. Okay, B of A1D. A1D means what? From here equal B of A1 multiplied by B of D given A1 plus B of A2 multiplied by B of D given A2. Simple talk, we just multiply B of A.4 multiplied by derivative from A. Derivative given A1 is 0.05 plus P of A2. A2 is already we have A2 is 0.6 multiplied by 0.03. So this means what? Probability of from company A1 multiplied by from A1 and derivative. A1 derivative. And this probability of A2 multiplied by probability of derivative from A2. Derivative from A2 is equal 0.35. Okay, let yes, it's 0.2 plus 0.3. This is 0.1 and this is 0.18. This is 0.18, so it is 0.38. 0.38. So this one equal 0.2. This 2 equal 0.18. So now we get probability of derivative. This part derivative. Now, if a customer buy a derivative devices, one customer, he bought a device and it was defective, what is probability that it come from A? Come from A1. How to write this question? Just like probability of it is already defective. So given D, we know it is defective, find probability of from A1. A1, this one. So just 1 over 1 plus 2, right? Okay, just write the formula is equal B of A1 multiplied by D given A1 over B of A1 over just we write B of okay A1 is actually B of D given A1 plus B of A2 multiplied by B of D given A2. This equals 0.2 over 0.2 plus 0.18 equal 0.2 over 0.38. Similar, if they ask if a customer buys a defective devices, what is probability it come from A2, for example. So in this case, just instead of 0.2, we write 0.18. We can write here B of A2 given D will be 0.18 over 0.2 plus 0.18. So just like 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 and 2 over 1 plus, that's it. So I think now it is clear. Also, we'll go inshallah to see other examples tried by yourself. The study shows that 70% of persons living in a given city suffer from lung cancer. Of those, this means given. Of those having lung cancer, when 90% are smokers. And of those not have lung cancer, 25.3 are smokers. If smoker is selected randomly, what is probability that he has lung cancer? Again, our city is our sample space. This is city. We divide this city to 2 parts. Part 1 is lung cancer, say this lung cancer, C. And this not lung cancer, they see complement. Already this 0.7. This is the complement will be 0.93. Just like A1, A2. Now we have, of course, C1 or C intersection C complement definitely qualify. So condition 1 satisfy. Condition 2 is C union C or equal S. So our city or this city just consisting of suffering from lung cancer or not. We have one event, which is smoke. This smoke is inside this city. This smoke is inside this city. Let's say S small. S small is subset of S capital sample space. So this is S smoking. This smoking could have lung cancer or not have lung cancer. So this is smoking. Also, we have 2 parts, this one and this. Okay, of those have lung cancer, 90% are small. This means what? Means B of a smoker given lung cancer equal 0.9. And of those not, also we have S not is 0.253. Okay, now we need to find one equal what? One is what? One is P of smoke and cancer. 2 is smoke intersection with not have cancer. So how to find this? Just this equal P of S 0.7 multiply by 0.9. This equal, this one equal 0.93 multiply by 0.253. 3. Now, let's see. Probability if a smoker is selected randomly. What is probability that he has lung cancer? Question: he has lung cancer. He has lung cancer. This maybe he has lung cancer. He has lung cancer. Smoker and lung cancer. This one. Smoker and lung cancer. Plus smoker and has not lung cancer. This is smoking, but he already smoker, be of already smokers, already smoker. Probability of he has lung cancer. Lung cancer is this one. Lung cancer. Lung cancer is equal what? It's equal just this one over 1 plus 2 for convenience. 1 is 0.7 multiplied by 0.9 over 1 plus 2 is 0.7. 0.9 this one plus 0.93 multiplied by 0.253. It's just like 1 over 1 plus 2. Same question. If a smoker is selected randomly, what is probability that he has not lung cancer? This case just P of smoker given. Already he is a smoker. Already he is a smoker. What is probability he has no lung cancer? This equal 0.93 multiplied by 0.253 over 0.7, 0.9 plus 0.93 multiply 0.253. Just like 2 over 1 plus 2. Actually, P of not given S plus P of C given S definitely equal 1. It's like complement. So now I think it's clear. Just we have still one more example. If a group consisting of equal number of men and women, equal number means 50-50. So 0.5, 0.5. Of this group means given 20% of men, given men, and 50% of women, given women, are employed. So just like this is our company or our group consisting of male and female. Male is 0.5. Employment is inside. Employment could be from male, could be from female. Just say this is male, this is female, just like A1, A2. So, two conditions satisfy or not? Of course, M intersection F equal by M union F equal S. Y equal S plus 0.5 plus 0.5 equal 1. 0.5 plus 0.5 equal 1. P of M plus P of F. Now we have 20% of men. This means what? B of say employee E given M is 0.2. P of employee given woman equal 0.5. Now we need to find one, this one, and this is 2. 1 equal what? 1 equal 0.5 probability of men. Say this woman. Okay. Say this F female. Probability of male 0.5 multiplied by probability of employee given male. Employee given male is 0.2. 2 equal probability of female also 0.5 multiplied by probability of female, probability of employee given female equal 0.5. So this is 0.1 and this is 0.25. Let's see the questions. Probability of this person employee equal 1 plus 2. This 1 plus 2. This is employee. This is the circle employee. So this circle consists of 2 part 1 plus 2. So equal 0.1 plus 0.25 equal 0.35. Question 2. If this person is employee, what is probability that he is male? This means what? P of male given employee equal 1 over 1 plus 2. 1 is what? 1 is 0.1 over 0. Equal 0.1 over 0.1 plus 0.25 equal 1 over 35. Question 2. If this person is employed, what is probability that she is female. So this means what? For C is P of already employed. What is probability? She is female. This equal what? This equal, for convenience, equal 2 over 1 plus 2 equal 0.25 over 0.1 plus 0.25 equal 0.25 over 0.35. 25 over 35. Notes says this This is 10, by the way. 10 over 35, 25 over 35 equal 1. 1 over 35 plus 25 over 35 equal 1. So this is the simple idea of using Bayes' theorem. Just we need to find 1 and 2. What is 1? 1 is intersection of the events and A1, and 2 is the intersection of A2 and the events, any event inside the sample space. I think now it is clear, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.